another video on my channel. So आज का video is going to be about DIY stylus, and I'll also be inserting a small video clip of a small painting, a small sketch. A sketch it is. Is it a sketch? Yes. So a small sketch made with that DIY stylus on my iPad. So let's get started. Okay, so now to make your stylus, you need foil, cotton, and empty pen with a metallic upper part and some water. Now the cotton is going to be the nib of your stylus, so we just pinch it a little and insert it where the nib of the pen was supposed to be. Also, I use this other pen ka refill to push the cotton so that it comes out from the other end, and then the last part is to wrap, not the last part, the second last part is to wrap the foil over the body of the pen. After this, I would just cut this tip so that a lot the extra cotton that is hanging around can just I can just get rid of that, and then I'll just wet the tip just a little bit. Wetting the tip is important because iske bina the stylus would not work on the digital screen. Now I have my iPad here and I'll just test my stylus on it. And okay, it works. So this is pretty much how you make a stylus. And now I'll be making a small sketch. This is my first time using a stylus, and yeah, enjoy the video and don't forget to like the video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my channel.